Hi, I'm Marian. We're going to do the mime ball step by step. Couple of things you need to remember. Okay, 3 things. Eyes, shape, palm. And I'll show you how that works, okay? So here it is. When you're doing the mime ball, first of all, you have to make sure you've got the right shape for that ball. Don't just squeeze it. That's a squished ball. Okay, so we want it about this size. When you are throwing the ball, your hand goes flat. The palm shows your audience where it goes. If I had a real ball in my hand, it wouldn't matter. The audience could see the ball. But this is mine. So you have to make sure your palm goes the direction of the ball. Now the other thing that you have to remember is eyes. You got to see it. So you become your audience's eyes by watching that ball go up and watching that ball come down. Your hand reacts by going in the same direction as the ball. So you watch it go up, you watch it come down, and your hand goes down when the ball hits it. So that's how you do it. Now what if the ball is going a different direction? Well, let me show you. If I'm flinging that ball side to side, and I'm going to go slow-mo, and I don't even have to change the camera. Ready? This one throws the ball, both hands are now flat. The ball goes across, and this hand goes the direction of the ball. Okay? So both are flat, then one catches. Notice that one is still flat. Watch out, because once this starts to catch the ball, this hand starts going flat, going more loose. Okay, so fling, catch, fling, catch. There you go. You want to bounce it on the floor? Then again, you watch it go down, you watch it come up, and your hand goes the direction of the ball. In this case, it's coming back up, so boom, there it is. Okay, good. Now, let's say I'm throwing it up against a wall over there. When I throw it, my palm shows my audience which way that ball went. So try to get that palm right on it. There I go, I flung it. Okay, now it's going to come back at me, and I have my hand between my body and the ball. So it gives me room to react. That ball is there for a long time, huh? Okay, here it comes. All right? Now if I don't do anything but throw it, and then I wait, and then I catch it, it's not the same. So what you want to do is throw it, keep your hand up, palm flat, and now you have somewhere to react with it. Okay, so that's the deal with the ball. The other thing you can do is just arc it from one hand to the other, not just straight across. Okay, angle, one's flat, other not flat. It goes around, you're your audience's eyes. It takes some coordination. Flat, flat, curve. And this one's still flat. The ball goes into the hand reacts by going the direction of the ball. Could do all sorts of things with that ball once you figure out how. Okay, so you guys have fun with the mime ball. It takes a lot of practice, so practice, and I'll see you next time you come in and see more mime stuff.